Thousands of Kashmiris have been subjected to enforced disappearances during custody by the Indian troops and the police over the last 34 years in occupied Kashmir, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances today. In occupied Kashmir, at least 8,000 innocent civilians have vanished in the custody after they were picked by the Indian troops, police and the paramilitary personnel since 1989. More posters have appeared in different areas of the occupied Kashmir urging the people to conduct a march towards Hyderpura graveyard in Srinagar on Friday 1st September to pay tribute to the veteran Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Gilani on his second martyrdom anniversary. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference has called for a march on Friday towards the Hyderpura graveyard where Syed Ali Gilani is buried. All pro-freedom organizations have supported this call. Incarcerated senior vice chairman of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmed Shah, has urged the people of occupied Kashmir to pay tribute to the iconic resistance leader Syed Ali Gilani on his second martyrdom anniversary on Friday, 1st September, at his grave in Hyderpura area of Srinagar. Working President of Congress Party in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has said that the people of the territory are fed up of the series of the lies of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led government. Raman Bhalla was addressing a protest demonstration held by the Congress in Jammu to expose the BJP for its anti-people and anti-poor policies. Special Investigation Unit of the Indian Police has seized 2 cars and a bike during raids in the Shopian district. The SIA sleuths conducted raids on the houses of Hurriyat activist Zahid Ahmed Shah and Hanzil Ahmed Shah and the shop of Muhammad Yaqub Khan in Rawalpura area of the district. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the arguments by the India Solicitor General in the Indian Supreme Court during the hearings on a batch of petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370 vindicated her party's stand that the situation in the territory was far from normal. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta on Tuesday informed the court that the Union Territory status of occupied and Jammu Kashmir is not just permanent thing. All Parties Sikh Coordination Committee in occupied Kashmir has demanded a thorough probe into the mysterious death of the engineer Gurmeet Singh. Gurmeet Singh, the engineer of Roads and Buildings Department, had gone missing a few days ago when he left his home in the Baramulla district. His dead body was recovered from the Jhelum River. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter on the occasion of International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances today held a meeting at its office in Islamabad. The speakers at the meeting, presided over by the APHC AJK General Secretary Sheikh Abdul Mateen, said that most Kashmiri families are waiting for the return of their loved ones who have gone missing in the custody of the Indian troops in last over 33 years in occupied Jammu and Kashmir.